Okay, I'm going to make a cut with the disc cutter. It's far from ideal. Once again, I'm in the street. I'm trying to angle it so that the sparks don't fly all over the neighbours' cars. But I don't want it too long or too deep. Bloody hell. Bit of a nuisance this, actually. I'm not dressed for it. I mean, look at what I'm wearing. This is ridiculous. I think it's going to be too thick. Yeah. Ah, well. But yeah, it's going to be too wide. I need to change the... that's a grinding head. Obviously, it's wriggled about a bit. Maybe I've got a vise somewhere. Perhaps I'll stick it in a vise. That might help. Yeah, I'll do that. I'll fetch a vise. Okay. I'm a little bit more sensibly set up now with the old bush wedged in a vise. I'm going to trap the vise underfoot, and I'm trying not to get the cable from the microphone ragged up in the disc cutter, which is a bit of a nuisance. Come here. There we go. Let's pop it around behind my leg. That'll stop it flapping about. Okay, let's have a go. Does it fit? I don't know. I think that's sitting a bit proud. Here it is. Oh gosh, I'm going to turn it over. Is that sitting proud? No, it's not. No, but you can see what I'm trying to do. Once again, I'm going to finish it off camera, just so that this sits in there. I need to go a bit deeper. Yeah, but that might just about, should be able to use that to stop the apparatus wobbling about and trap it between my knees, hopefully. Yeah, let me just go a bit deeper. But I'm going to turn the camera off because this is silly. You don't need to see me faffing about like this.